Hey, so today I'm coming to you from Sam Houston Jones State Park. They got a new sign put up, and we are here with a Year to Volunteer, which is a nonprofit group that goes around to different state parks and different places and helps basically rehab them and get them back opened if they've been closed or damaged by storms or whatever the case may be. It doesn't necessarily have to be a state park, but that's what we're at this time. So we joined with Phil and Shar to come here with a bunch of other people. A total of, I think, 46 volunteers here this week. We're here for 2 weeks actually, and some of the stuff we've done is what I'm going to show you today. So we got this fence put up. A bunch of us jumped on it, set the 6x6s and got the boards up, and then some of the ladies came and stained it. And this is the entrance. Now, a little bit about this park is this used to be a beautiful place. Had thick trees. You used to be able to hand feed the deer, the raccoons, and it was just an incredible park. Brittany has pictures from years ago. I might try to include in the video, but they lost 80 or 90% of their trees, and they need a lot of work done here, so we're helping them get it all back together. And this is one of the things we did, was redo the entrance. I'm gonna ride through the park and show you some of the other stuff we've done. We put up some tent sites. We're building platforms to put the tents, stump grinding, cleaning up the roads and different things like that. So I'm gonna show you around and kind of show you what we did today. Show you today what we did this past week, and we still got one more week to go. All right, here we go through the gate. All right, so this is what's left of the campground here. So for the people watching this that have been here previously, this is all that's left. I mean, there's really no trees left. You can see all the piles of sawdust where we've been grinding stumps. We've had groups of people on it continuously, but this is all that's left. So the big tree over here has got an eagle's nest in it. Luckily that I believe was saved. Not 100% on that. I'll have to find out for sure. But over here we put a tent platform back here. There's one here, there's one there, and there's another one in that far corner, and that's the bathhouse. It's got bathrooms and showers and all of that good stuff in it, which they're not even working. So we're all here basically boondocking. We have no water, no sewer, no nothing, but this is what the tent pads are going to look like. And I'll throw in a little video of us doing some of the work, putting these in, and some pictures and all of that good stuff. But this is how it's going to work, and it backs right up to the swamp area back here. So it's going to be really cool to see. They got a new playground there, and there's also another one. If you follow the road around this way and it comes around to the other side, they've got another playground there, a smaller one, where the day use area is. And there's going to be a 500-foot boardwalk over there where you can fish off of it right onto the Calcasieu River. But the problem is that was one of our projects we were supposed to help do, and they ran into an issue where they couldn't get the lumber in time. So that's not something we're going to be able to do for them. We're also clearing trails out, getting some trails back together. Now granted, they lost a lot of their trees, so trails aren't going through the woods like they used to, but hopefully one day they'll come back. And they also I believe the week before we got here, they had a few volunteers show up, I think 50 or 100 or something like that, and they planted 500 trees. So hopefully they'll all grow quickly and fill this place out. But anyway, that's what we've done this week, and get this video set up for you. Let us know what you think, and if you want to volunteer, we'll put a link down in the description, and you can contact Phil and Shar at A Year to Volunteer. Till next time, keep bringing your dreams to reality.